Hey guys, what's up? Hold on. Let's start this again. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Taylor. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, some things happened to me last night. So it's going to be a day in the life, but post-accident. You guys got into an accident last night. So we're just going to go through the motions together. I didn't know if I was going to feel up to doing much today. I'm doing some laundry and I did want to talk to you guys because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. So I wanted to pull out my camera. I'm in good spirits. I'm a little achy, but it's nothing that is stopping me from just doing the basics, like cooking for myself, like doing like cleaning. I did go ahead and decide to take the whole day off. So it's just going to be me and you guys. Demario's at work. The doggos are here with me. So let's get into it. I've woken up from my nap. I woke up around 3 something. It started to get really hot up here, so yeah. I'm actually about to work out again. My shoulder does not nearly hurt as bad as it was. I'm whispering now because Demario's downstairs. He's trying to get his nap in. But I just went to the door and I got something from Rancho Cucamonga. So I'm trying to see what that is. I did not mean to buy that. I might return it. These are scrubbers and attachments that go on a drill so that you can better clean really anything. If you want to buff something out. Mainly I got it to clean the tub. Got these tub cleaners. I don't know what the difference. Oh, these are more rough. Okay, well that was a bust from Amazon. I guess it didn't. So this is a lens hood that goes with Demario's gift. You might now know what it is. Okay. If you know, you know. Everybody has been talking about how they ice their face. And I've been having like almost like heat bumps. It is a there's no instructions. Okay, I guess I'll just pour water in here. It's for your face. You take the cap off and you ice your face every day. I'm thinking that'll help improve the look and texture of my skin. I don't get as many breakouts, but if you've noticed, there's a lot of texture here. Number one, I'm sweating. Okay, I was working out outside, but I'm hoping that will help. And then this is for vacation. Yes, yes, yes. A big floppy hat. Can you imagine the content that will go down? First of all, I don't know how to get these creases out. Because why would you package it like that? But could you see me like... posing without these big glasses on? So I figure out how to get these out. Maybe you just iron them. The sun is finally coming out. That's great. It's been raining. So y'all know me. I'm gonna exercise, look ugly while I'm doing it. All my stuff is inside, so I'm using shoes. Back to the old me.
Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre is at the door, ready to make an entrance, so back on up.
Before I have to pull the strap out the cut,
Give me the microphone first so I can bust like a bubble. Compton and Long Beach together, now you know you in trouble, cause ain't nothing but a G-Bang, baby. Two low down G's.
Working out outside is a whole different thing, like so much sweat. I feel good though. My shoulder, it actually loosened up some, like oddly enough. I was really worried it was gonna tighten up on me, so I'm feeling good about the situation. I'm happy I didn't go to work today because I'm taking like new medicine, the muscle relaxer. Wasn't sure how I was gonna feel. I wasn't gonna go to work anyways because of that doctor's appointment. So it's just good that I decided to take the rest of the day off. You know, you just gotta prepare for the unexpected. If you have the option to take off after something like that happens, 10 out of 10 recommend. All right, guys, so now we're in the shower. Nothing feels better than getting in a nice hot shower after a hard workout. I'm gonna start by rinsing out my hair. It's pretty clean, but I like to keep it wet when it comes down to detangling it. We're gonna apply some cleanser and really rub it in. I say for about a minute. That's what gives me the best results in terms of getting that dirt and oil from my skin. We're gonna follow this up with a exfoliating mask from the Cold label. It has things like kale and clay, salt, some other things that help dry out breakouts and exfoliate the skin so that that second beautiful layer can come out. I do leave this on while I do the rest of my body routine in the shower. So you see I have this silicone scrubber for my body. I love this. We first go in with my bar soap. This is from Territory. And these silicone scrubbers give you that same exfoliation as like a washcloth, but it doesn't harbor all that bacteria. We go in next with the liquid wash. That one is from Raw Sugar. Feminine wash, and then our KP body scrub, followed by our Raw Sugar scrub. I really needed all the exfoliation I could get, you guys, being out in the sun and just the fact that it's summertime. I really wanted to make sure my skin was really glowy. All right, we're just gonna follow it up with some typical body care, some lotion, followed by some body oil. These are not my favorites, honestly, but it's what I had on hand. Okay, if nobody's put you on, put toner on your bum. I'm telling you, you're gonna stay fresh all day. Now, this is just my typical face routine. And I did do 2 moisturizers to make sure my skin was really hydrated. Don't forget your sunscreen, babes. And yes, we are using 2 different kinds of deodorant. You guys, I sweat so much in the summer. Okay, so this has been a game changer for my hair growth. I've been going back to my roots, inspired by this girl on TikTok. First, I go in with Luster's pink hair lotion. Y'all remember that? And then I go in with grease, only at the ends and only at my my edges. Comb it through, and then I follow this through low tension hairstyles. I swear I've seen results in not only the shine of my hair, but like my hair retention. We're gonna style it using some Wetline Extreme Gel. And today, I think I'm just gonna go with a simple bun. And y'all know there's no look that I can do without baby hairs. So out comes this edge control that I don't even really like, but it's all right. And you guys, I'm actually getting ready for an event. Demario last minute told me that he wanted to go somewhere. So I really didn't know where it was, but I said, let's go. We are walking to the event now. Say hey, Demario.
That's out.
All right, you guys, I am back home from the event. I couldn't take y'all in there because they requested no social media, no none of that stuff. So out of respect, I didn't record anything. But I can tell y'all what happened. You know me, I can't just sit and talk. I need to though. Let me move this and then we're gonna sit and talk. This needs to go upstairs. My lemon pepper steppers also need to go upstairs. Probably will be washed. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got. So the event was cool. They had drinks, they had music, all of that. Me and Demario wasn't sure if it was a cash bar or if you, I don't know. I couldn't tell if they like accepted cash or whatever. So I just didn't even get a drink. Plus I exercised today, burned a lot of calories, not trying to really stop the fat burn out from that. You see what I'm saying? Anyways, so next thing you know, they started like raffling off names. They asked for our names. We had little tickets. They raffled things off. And I'll show you one of the things that they raffled off. Y'all, I'm so excited. I've been wanting these shoes for a while now. So here we go. Mind you, we didn't know what it was. So I had no intentions on purchasing anything, but a classic shoe that everybody should have. Like everybody should have a black and white shoe. These were like $120. That includes tax. So excited. This one dude, so funny, y'all. He won, and he put on his shoes right then and there. Buddy said he came knowing for a fact that he was going to walk out with something new. He said he was ready to change up out of them shoes. Felt you. Remember as a kid, we would like go shopping with our moms or our parents, whoever helped raise us. We would go shopping and we'd be so excited. We'd literally wear them things out the store. That's what he reminded me of. Okay, the one thing about all high shoes is you have to take out all these laces. They're so tight. So cute, right guys? Yes. You ain't gotta tell me I know. Okay, so I'm going to heat up some leftovers. So I made pasta carbonara. I'm gonna have some of that. I'm also going to pair with a side salad. We picked up these Fiesta limes. Definitely giving different vibes, but it's cool.
And it's like this.
Then we ain't got no love for those.
So just chill till the next episode.
Good morning. So today is officially day 2. I'm feeling really good. I don't feel like any pain going to work. As you can see, not me dropping my apple. As you can see, I am dressed for the occasion, the work occasion. I'm feeling good and I'm excited that I feel good. You know what I'm saying? So I'm packing my lunch, getting ready to head out, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick update about how I'm feeling, my pain level. Honestly, I don't feel like anything. I don't feel anything. I think I'm back. I'm back better than ever. I wouldn't necessarily advise people to work out literally the day after getting into a car accident. I would not advise that. Still waiting on the insurance estimation for the damage on my car. But, you know, I can drive my car, so I'm okay with it. So, yeah, time to go. So, I'll see you guys in another video. Love you so much. Bye.